Hello, kids. Today, we are going to have a great time learning all about animals, starting with farm animals. Cow, cow. Sheep, sheep. Goose, goose. Horse, horse. Chicken, chicken. Goat, goat. Pig, pig. Donkey, donkey. Duck, duck. Rabbit, rabbit. Now, we are off to the zoo. Join me, and together we'll explore the fascinating world of animals. Monkey, monkey. Camel, camel. Deer, deer. Bear, bear. Giraffe, giraffe. Panda, panda. Tiger, tiger. Elephant, elephant. Lion, lion. All right, kids, we've learned about animals today. Now, let's have some fun with an exciting and educational animal quiz for you. What is the name of this animal? It is a bear. What is the name of this animal? It is a monkey. What is the name of this animal? It is a tiger. What is the name of this animal? It is a deer. What is the name of this animal? It is an elephant. Has branched horns and is beautiful. What animal is that? Deer. Which animal is known for its long neck and can reach high leaves on trees? Giraffe. Which animal gives us milk that we often drink? Cow. What animal produces wool? Sheep. What is the name of the animal that gives us eggs? Hen. Which farm animal is famous for its delicious meat and goes oink? Pig.
Thank you for watching.